Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. If you are new to the channel, my name is EthanDiiulio and this is my 1983 Mark II Toyota Supra that is almost done. It will be driving in a week and a half. Cars and Coffee, August 17th at the little speed shop. If any of you guys live locally, I'll be there with this car. So come check it out, come say what's up. I don't know if it'll be done or not. I've been working like crazy the last couple of days, just sanding and going over everything. As you can see, like areas up here where I had to really dig down at the sander to get rid of the imperfections that were on the old paint job, I had to dig really deep. So the last couple of days I've been going over all these areas with body filler. It is really the most tedious and frustrating thing I've done in a long time. I don't even know, just going over it over and over again is just, it's ridiculous. But it's coming along. It's almost there. I have reconstructed the rear quarters. We got the gas tank back in. So in this video we did try to start the car, as you just saw before the intro, but we don't have enough gas for it, and part of that is because it's also tilted right now, so it's not going to start. But we do not have enough gas because we sucked all the old crappy gas out of the tank. Hopefully next week, by next week we'll get it started, which we probably will be, because we have to get it outside anyways so we can go for like a final sand and send it to the body shop. I don't know if we'll even get to that next week or not, but we're gonna try. So yeah, coming along. Thank you all for your time and your support. With that said, let's get right into this video. I hope you enjoy. Alright, so as you can see, I got my spacers. These are 1 inch, and it's going to help the fitment a lot with my wheel not sticking inward as much. I gotta bolt these in here, but other than that, they should be good. They look awesome. They seem like they're really good quality. And I also have one of my side marker lights that broke, and these are perfect because they have their own finger on the outside of them. So hopefully these will just go right in and work as planned. Well guys, these are like a perfect fit, and they come with the sealer on the outside, so it's perfect for not having any trim. So I'm gonna screw this one in and see how it is, but it already looks like it's gonna be a perfect fit. Alright, we got it on here. It is in. It looks pretty good and it fits perfect. It was a little tricky getting the screws in because I had to put in new screw-in things, whatever they're called, that came with it. But other than that, it went on perfect. Everything fits. Everything's all good. So yeah. And just like that, we have a side marker light. Put more black lug nuts on. Alright, right now what I'm going to do is start making a template for the driver's side quarter panel. What we have to do is I'm going to make a template for probably a metal piece that goes around here, and then up inside back here I have to make one that comes down from this top piece down that meets here. So I'm going to make those templates really quick, and then I might cut them out into pieces of metal so we can get those stuck up on the car, and then we can get this one done. And then once this is done, everything else goes in. Alright, we got the other side marker light. I'm going to pop this in really quick and show you guys when we're done, and we will finally have all of the lights in the front of the car all working. We got the other side marker on, so this car has all of its front lights and it's all good to go. I'm gonna turn it on real quick just to show you guys that it works. Alright, so as you can see, I put a whole load of body filler everywhere on this car, all the small divot areas that I can find. I'm going to sand it all down because I'm going to give the whole car a re-sand because I want this to be as good as I can possibly get it for the body shop. This is going to take me a while, but I'm going to sand this down really quick off camera, and I'll get back to you guys once I finish.
How I'm going to get that cable in there.
That's how we're plugging the Speedo cable back in. It's not long enough on these cars, so it's a huge pain to plug back in.
Oh my god, I got it.
You did?
Yeah.
Nice.
Completely by feel. Now I'm fucking stuck.
There you are. Your gear?
Just grab my arm. God damn it. Alright.
Yeah, just a warning to all of you, if you're taking your gauge cluster out, that it's going to be a huge pain to put it back in if you want your speedometer to work again. Just send another round.
Yeah.
It really is, especially from before.
Yes.
Before it
I just have to Huh? Stuck by my toolbox. Black and white over there.
Alright, we're going to try to start the car. There's not very much gas in it and it has no muffler, but let's do this. It's going to be interesting. Anything?
May not be enough gas.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
You know what?
Yeah, the fuel pump's showing.
probably too low on gas.
Oh.
Car's not gonna fall on you, is it?
No. I didn't realize the tank was...
Well, you put it, that's why it was so light. I guess it's a good thing though, so it's not running any bad gas.
Yeah, that's true. And now the gas gauge is on E. Let's dump this thing, I'm gonna put gas in.
Alright guys, it's time to wrap up this week's video. Thank you all so much for watching. This channel has been growing crazy lately. Last week we hit 600 subs. That is awesome. I'm super excited and it's still growing like crazy. Car is almost done. We're very close. We have most of everything done. Just gotta finish a few things in the back. I'm going to continue sanding everything the next like day or two, and it's been gruesome because I've been doing it all week long, but it's getting there. I'm gonna get this thing done. I'm gonna make sure that it gets done. So yeah guys, thank you all for watching. You guys will get to see this thing on the road very, very soon. So yeah, I hope you all have a great rest of your week. I will see you all next week. Bye guys.